problems no dey ene ne ho to da obetimi akọ situation bi mu ye bisa se ne ba ne sen na yes ade we a chese wo bedwe ho a wo nhunu how it even started but when you ba ho so na de besi na asie awie afi na de aka no se o dwendwen na o tete o ha when you koda na o da na dwo a wo na and it begin to eat you up e basa ya na unhu ne wonye enu nti ni ahihye sa adwumadi di ama say Tuesdays bia me no mienu e be ye ho aduro na empempi no say amanfo ba no mo ka problems ni ade na yenso ayeti ha e bia na wana mo tuo bi ya kosa ala ho no nti utimiti bi na so de atuhufo nti yenna na ye de ye ho aduro kakra ma me ment na ho ma problem no enye wo nko problems e wo mu se wo na ato e wo mu se wo na wo fam wo na wo hye wo mpaboa na anim se de mia wo fa nanso ye pesa wo ne ye kye sa asem no enu tinya se membo wo din kyerɛ baby akasa frimpo no wo de men kan kyerɛ men no wo ho na mom ka problem no e kyerɛ ade na edi unya ade na epira wo no ade na ama wo kyese ene ikura no wo ntimi kura mmobra ne bi ebia ya de bi a waye anamo bi a otuye ana eye de obi de ayew woni ye be kyesa asem no nyame enam counselor Oscar Shipiso we will find solution to that problem akwankyere bi obi ese de ma obi a going forward said e be ya ubetimi atwe ho afisa situation na ubetimi afisa o hawo no mu sa akwankyere ne beba na at the same time no yenso aya kai wa kyere no so yesua bibi de afiri mu said e be ya ya na motuo obre ya ye boyi eniema bi ayeye se ebetimi akopie wo sa akwan no so a yenso atimi de atue ho fo ne atwe ho afiri ho enu nti ena benada awie bia etena se Ofie Kwanso medi so a ye de confessions ebrel enu nti ena ye ma akwanya no minim de etete wo minim de shows minim de edi unya minim de epra o etoda nye ade a obi dia ye wonko a etoda wanka sanso a wutie mi sabre wo so waye obi bibi sa ade na di onipa ko no nya pa ade ni pra onipa ko no you see it with your naked eyes wounds and no you are the reason why this person is suffering but you can't go to him and say ko ade de me na me ye oba na menim say base na menim say nka me we de me ye wa yikakra but we de baby adu no you don't even know how to go about it but that person is suffering and it's all because of you when you unya na nkentisa but you don't know how to go about it you can still share that with us. What shall I render? Now we will find a solution to that. Now also wait me afre now ode once again good afternoon to you and welcome to your own show Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. My name is Jerry Justice. This show is produced by Papa Bills, African, Akete, and my man Nana BD there. So together we present to you Ofie Kwanso, and it's on from now till 6 p.m. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Winning numbers I'll be to me a friend or about you medinas so the patch or bar man bolding chain any baby are free. Just go on and tell us what the problem is. And fast than my Petra Trust on Obwana Dachi imu etimia kama edia my or connection to say and yet Sikado do our war at the house and a tre air control our walls out Sikano son and it's me a boy what me achieve future goals in there to only Petra and Casa say be efficiently bit me a boy and what take control of your money through savings investment pensions any day can count now what me achieving more any Petra and Casa near 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. First call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me pacho e to say.
Yo, brother, now say.
Me so me ho ye pa.
Me dem da nyame say me sa kam.
Yes we de nyame ase ne so.
Me ma say me so.
Yi ti wasem.
Me say no me obi kunu e na akwo.
To bo ase wo ni obi kunu.
E bi o me obi kunu e na akwo.
O chesa o
na say no ajani ha me. Ai na le pa no oni le yire do no o mu ni ba mo. What I say? Ha na me ni dem ano. According to Bipina, yes, and according to them, and can say, me, as a thing, no my war, but I don't know, it's only getting to 3 years. But I do have many say, make it bad because as a living, as a Katakata about being new creation. And see, as a make it one, not a man. Like me, so what is your mission as a partner?
Minti ase sa se wo no obema na wawae no one ne yere nwo
Le person say
obema na wo ne na wo sesi ya no waware one ne yere net but omu niba
okay
omu niba omu we
daddy
na bema ne wo mumu aba be wo
na me ni na wo
na sesi ya no wo se wanu hu se wo yes
Le person say
wo se sesi ya no wa regret se wo yes ade no
after my wo but me ni gibisa what I say fine be man we di ya ma ye all right but after me kwa na me ne ba ne wo
chese se no nya na ka wo be man net nka yen se nka
what I say
na from the beginning na onim se be man no be man wari for na
for the beginning no na me nim se sana de ne be ti akoye I can't mean I can say them alone. I can on country on your board now country hearing. I mean Jim listening and training the moon. What I say?
But you say no, what I say on country ni na che say ya na ka ono so be spend time kakra with you.
Me person say
on country ni no gi permission ya ono so be spend time kakra with you ana.
Me say okay.
Say o person ka be man no or spend time kakra with you.
Oh, na ni balance like ni balance
one so atinya that fatherly love no.
Okay.
Ya to wasem.
I say na akoda no mother love nwa. O mo papa one what I say. But akoda na fem nso. But me ya etini kwan say like and sometimes me ti wa na ama ma regret kakra.
Okay.
That's what matter.
Ya to wase pa nti we fancy counselor bebam why?
Matter.
We are not here to understand people. We are here to advise.
Yes. It's very much.
What can I say?
What can I say?
Because say oh the can ya tia
not just I say we are siding with you.
Fantastic.
No, but we can't side with you. That's you know. Anyway, hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Me bacho your first saying. Oh, sorry. Atiafaso. Anyway, sir, Bibia Boko there. Great. Me patro yenti wasem.
Patro, so much time here. After the I say, many like Obuku to say I didn't pop out. Now, a whole lot next time. It's my like me decided say, let's free. Baby, I'm not like problem, you know. Let me free. But after so many years, guy not time the tree and dream or some baba. I'm not say I'm doing now, for doing me home my child. As young problem, the damn is mean that how one of it all taking me didn't say. In the set moment,
once only bear man now.
But so doesn't
what the end there munya way about to bear my wife for. And anka ya say wo dodge nti akoba bifu from us still out there to ho
still
nti ugu so ne da
me that me but as like one my say am adin asa akọ so ba
ani ifri no so okay you counselor wa do the wate wasem no right nti ye be hu say the be no na asem o African yemfa foforo na yene ne ntoa so hello
hello
good afternoon
e
ba cho boko de
na me adon boko na mo so
yes ye hu ye pa pa cho yetie o
Pato masem de wakaka banansu remo de ana kan kaka.
Ewa.
As wakaka ba me bone sofa.
O de bohwe na summarize na nya kama why?
Pato masem.
Yiti.
Pato masem ne se misha na mo me na nanchen. Na ni tina mo me na nanchen. Nti ana ma me ba ho e be srae. Nti ana bi design se me father. And also ya or the meko me father ho. Nti or the meko me father ho for the first place na buko hu ni popi. Them popi ni na say okay. Yes amba me grandma ho ba. Nti me start school kaka kana mi JHS. Ni JHS na mpese me toa so ba popi na de me ko kire na popi ni shara nge mi ma na e bo no modern de me ko JHS na mi Sina ya result to buy my pass kama na me phone say me call SCS. Iti emuna okọ me gram fa mo no na okọ je na ma buy say me mfe sa na manu. Iti me fe na manu man no e no ne man ne kasa say oba no we school obeso to us. Ti na mo komo bom omuwie na me ti say mo mi say one on ne kasa no ten say me we popi and on ne kasa I'm say na do me ko che first ne and I say me rubber pin on the casa this ya into me jona mano and I'm a fair man no bisa no say na de ko ba ne say nyense ne ba ko to ano be 3 months onu mu nyense na obisa me momi and I can say nyense die ni ho iso echi no amosi agugwem enwu say nyense no e ne bia e ma no ofa ba ko kra ni
enti se si ano o main issue na nkasa ne say o papa o peso hu say o papa nkasa na say na o peso
se si ano papa no wa just ni say ne ba ne me ba say obe tinani ahwe me no me friend bia o say this oba me na mo ansa
nti o pese say no anka o be hwe wanya dia atum say ne ba no ne de nko hwe no so hwe na ase won
ba twa
you need me. Okay, you. Ate. You better aso. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know about Patrick say?
Na me do mo.
You, ma ne so kakra ma na yenti wasem no why?
Mba so yo. Mba so me de say Hello, what meka?
Me Patrick to nka pa.
Me de ne say me no obi na wo ho. Na ni fa no me ne decide say ye nye bibia but after me ne wo ho a akra na ne ho ye ne but ofi mi nche so na ase like menya na nko wo mi nche ma mi nche so na ye ko ena me wa na guy bi onu so e wa akwentu mo no onya hwe ma me but onu no after me ne kasa me feel okay but onu so me say down pen but then me come so na want na me no kunu and na dey wa kunu so me onya hwe ma me ameka say bia
hello
bi ma me na na ni di ne ho
hello
hello
so kakra
hello hello madam
yeah da
but you say only back who Ghana na back who outside right
baby the one outside need that no show interest
and I'm saying that the all Ghana na only wo right
me trying
they all show interest no ade na wo entertaining no
like the way I'm no ekun often no
only here dey
me ne kun like the big baby pena ye kun so kwa
me can the all outside no or the all show interest see ano ade na wo catch any say only obi nenam
because when you stable on into no
I just say my cry ya na just say bibiri na fa for 2 za na dia odi e say wona ni nko adwuma na wona dos ntia fa ba ko penfa nka ho na yewia yenhwe said the councillor be attend to win na fi yewia ne said them di kan to manim say now every last Tuesday of every month bia no yene councillor betna na ye the topic ba ko ato na ye rewura mu yi pa na ya papa mu na ye hu said the eno so ye de be kwa kosinti starting today no ye be ne sa last caller hello
Hello. Good afternoon. Na me adumo na answer.
Me ho ye pa radio no dum radio no na fe ye nton kan yi why. Kan asem.
Me so ma sam. Be mana etie wawe me wa ye me ho ande ni kitangola. Na sita ni. Ma sam na wa ye pa. Mo te si ya chopo ni na pala for no no so este ba ko ko se yo to ni ko este no ni education ni ni kan ni le ni ko ni ni o kasta ni de tu ni de bane wan se bi se ta ke ti na se man ni wa
me patcho madam ma phone nko wa no wie na yesterday na kaza I say o kaza
me na me say me decide say me say me try our real because me juni do be man mo am no so we di na me na ba ko da the same time no so I am ma on jama me juni
o see you share na begin only share ni na right
you on ka obe do ka na me ba chen kan hello
beginning na only share hu ne foforo no sa we na na oye ma asem na
na hu bi ka de be na wo ye na me say no sa oye ka de na no me na na o mani
okay you
ya te de me ma de se sen ka mi ja ya na me ko na de ka ko si me kwa na me ba no oye se ni bi am ja ko na se ni e ni bi am ton am ko ni se ni na mi ja ko e bi na me se me ba no wa nhwe no ama no I say no na any problem to you. Say cancer and mama Gina say head and mama.
You ya te why e da say counselor be hwe na wa wurewure ni na mu ba ye fast that my pro sponsors no Kojak Farmer the patro ono no mind the original pro code my edekutia code and afi flu and I was my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste afi Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and Kojak sensitive toothbrush dey ye ni uchu sia na say wo di ade de na say ade ehia na ade enyu na o se fenfem a the patro ube use Kojak F toothpaste ne ne mouthwash no na ebejai se ko ba se utwusi an na ye oya na se una mokra na se etutu do ba bia utwusi an etu moja nso a obesu Kojak P toothpaste ne mouthwash no continuously for 4 weeks later no switch to Kojak F ebejai ope best result they are now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush no aka ho ni na available our pharmacy shops all ni nyina mu across the country ba se ope do pa dia hwehwe Kojak Farmer for chia kwan ewo Okanshi drug lane obetimi so afre 0249 209 920 na 0260 870 780 afi DBS Industries ono so na my top class quality roofing sheet made boy dan so achese no unya bia na achese wanya absolute peace of mind and just or how bia any HD beam is say we no a pre-coated roofing sheet coloring plus na achese we no de color no enfedi and peel off and put on campus a chance no arrest to be near about 20-year warranty was so what I enjoy 5% discount on the Sprinters Road next to Papa Restaurant obit me afre 0577 619 102 and 0543 286 637 na only edinkita. Finally buy101.com or say open car to and open spare parts open diato and open building materials and ampo asase and home appliances bibia obunya to biano oko buy101.com ni nyina ho e bo no so da form boko pa wonso items we nyina bi na opese wo ton a wo de call buy101.com obenya to 4 and 10 pa wo de wade call se wo ton so a e free ye enjoy hwe etimpatro friends is here 0266 637 111 and of 0302 300 472 and I'll beat me. I've visited www.buy101.com. Now information in na so no ubinya ni nyina eho. Counselor
Jerry
I had
name cheat for nyina
ati for you so
to say the antivia no say me mouth trading ka don't say
easy crack to say you are doing crack say e crack be multiply easy crack
nyame ho me be my dom ni no so
the first one
oni obi awo
yeah
ba nipa no okun and to her no
yeah
ko nyanka be mani you must spend time
kakra na akola enya fatherly love kakra
onsuro nyame No sronya. Wako ni obi kunu akowo. Right? Instead of having regret and showing remorse, I didn't mind him saying right? Because be a circumstance nearby into now. Now you want the man to be spending time
with you,
leaving the house, the wife, to come and spend time with you with the child because of that.
Yeah. Not just a guy now.
Yes. We need that one or yes, you see, a brabone a woman. Whatever you sow, you reap. Joy and Neno, when you're very careful.
Sure.
One day, say I'm fine, you know, I had Beniba. And at that time, I know you a few.
Yeah.
And then you go through the pain. Because yes, Nippon in the Yiri Shaho, Joe Mosse mom. Now you have even done the wrong thing by giving birth with a man.
And now you want
now
to
you are asking
salt.
like Oliver Twist. You are asking for more. So say the open only akran betna no nya only tenasi and because of that and not because say what could you be kunu.
Yeah.
You are not regretting because of say only be kuna.
Yeah.
You are pained because papa ninya time
spending time with you and the child.
Now the more he spends time with you, no, and you are na ugunu.
Na born ne baha more.
Ugu be a worry. That's what I wanted to know. By that request, no, by that demand, no, ugu be a worry. Bible is saying, what God has put together, let no man put asunder.
Sure.
I repeat. Say namoso. No be a worry gua. One day, maybe so. And Nuntina, as counselors, me say, I will never advise Obise on divorce. May advise you to whatever point, but the decision as to whether you want to divorce or not, no,
it's on you.
Ntina even judges who court, they don't just get up and grant divorce. Sometimes say for they bring in counselors, they will do everything to make sure our enemy jina. But the motion say, baby, a code to me because they are the court, no, you let go. And no tino. So pesa akwara ni papa spend time oma akwara ni kon papa fi. If you want the child to have time with the father to have time with the child.
Yeah, that fatherly love need there.
Onfa akwara ni
papa no ne marital home.
Yes.
Yeah.
To show say I didn't mind me numi but because akwara woman the welfare of the child is very important.
Sure.
And no child will suffer because of that. Let the child go to the father's house.
Okay.
Not that the man should leave his house and come and be spending time with you people. The more you are doing that, no, oh, go be a warrior. And I'm saying, says, and I'm soon be a warrior, go and go be sound. You see, for PD, no media grow. Whatever you sow today, no, one day I'm telling you, reap. Whatever, I'm saying, you go school, no. Obi wa math. On TSS, sometimes they can't even invest. No through. Because of Nipa no children.
Yeah.
Some seeds have been sown. Inti madam, ma akwarani ni papa spending time. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Not the other way. Sending papa mbra non investment time because of that way. Only very careful. Obisu see only another married man and that's what is happening. That's what is happening. Namakase obi kunu obi yire no Jerry said no say I started last Tuesday. We talk about issues. Remember the camp about obi yire no obi kunu na me wi a obi kunu on ko nche.
Yeah obi so obi dwane e dangerous say obi yire nam. Yeah, because the oyen there you see today you think you are tough. Oh onufu sisi so you are shaking. You think me gra me won ye first in the year no. Right? A bedu baby no. Another young girl will rise up. Yeah.
Said the other year will be no. And they will do sometimes worse since they were no. And sometimes because of that one fini onya ware pada. Say ni yiri nya hint. No the pain kasa. You are finished. Bible ne say words have weight. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. Obi kan someone no. Nji obi kun no na mo na na say ni ade no. Onfi obi kunu nchen. Because she has admitted say obi kunu. Onfi obi kunu nchen. So no to school whatever. And no show mommy. Whatever it is no. Once you know say you be kunu, I am saying say that ground is dangerous. Because whatever you are doing today, no, remember, me secondary school na me call no, the best in the country. The motto of that school is Drain Shekan.
Drain Shekan.
Drain Shekan. To be no, you have to project into the future. So,
yeah.
What are the repercussions? Into big kuno be there. But a lot of the people are working in the town. That's what they want. Oh, mama, said Jerry won't worry. I don't know munja mama wana mumbra papa business Jerry. And my brother Tiana. Munja nice young people. They are here. They are no munja ya why nanti baby. Oh my God. We can focus on our marriage.
Baby, oh my pressure ba. Another baby there boy. Oh my pressure ba.
No be ready no go area. And I'm member no worry no. I'm no shemba no. I'm worry to say Jerry.
I can't say almost say married men mum gran responsible.
Jerry Mundi am person mo week akra no ko ni. Nti mo pe mo ma ya we no. Me see obi yire no bi kunu say no go area. If you sow that seed today, you pay the price tomorrow. Obi see for the first time no huni papa. Ni ma mi ko che ni papa. And then Ofie say go send papa nya attention man no. No akwade bia no onyi a onidi spiritual protection and emotional comfort. Akwade bia.
Wow.
Every child when is growing up no needs spiritual protection and emotional comfort. A whole man ya dia pa. Mami for no.
Yeah.
Until na mothers day na explode.
Sure.
Because of the emotional presence the women give to their children. Yes, it's a hun papa. On trust of a calling chain. That's what he's looking for. Or pay emotional comfort from the father. And it's not coming.
Yeah.
On so friend papa ni papa see me bound na hoa. On take his approach no. Because it's a hun so any papa. And the papa ni so agia to me say dey. Any ba. Njo movie towards akwara ni papa.
Yeah.
Papa ni so tie. Every child needs spiritual protection and emotional comfort. So the papa no who said the band no on say say obe build this bond no. Also bi wo ha otuma ni papa sika bo on calling chain. Obi otuma ni papa sika sane sika busum bia o mani sika. But so ni papa betenasi. So mo bon komo for maybe 5 minutes 10 minutes no heading because the emotional bond is not there. And because what deprive akwara from for a long time no on say so kwa akwara nchen. No money say emotional way no because one man is no the nia. Baby yes we say papa ni but so only be transit so mo bon komo no anyhow because of that emotional bond.
Yeah.
Then another lady say oni guy be nam na guy no ni nchen a opese guy ni ba
oba nchen so no
guy ni ba nchen na ni buefu into fluctuation of emotions.
Yeah.
Na dey be onwoko and na obi your outside na oye
show interest
and now because we said that guy no
market
and you no you are not focused on what you are doing. And now if you are not focused no because we need baku ha baku will say no sad nipa dey kakra no we wohi.
Yeah,
that's what is happening.
Yeah.
Said the other one in new
intimi ma won fix problems now one.
Fantastic. You are not able to resolve the issues.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because another one you can fall on. I say be a warrior or chimpina. On your problem if you on person be solve it. Because also if you fear in the concubine be no so to ba and feel he
doesn't care.
That's a problem this young lady is having. So person side in Jaya on take a decision. So when I'm done, so if it's a guy no in nam no no on breaking relationship.
Okay.
But so Jiji so sa ne be do be no problem ba na baby foforo. But where we ni baku wa ha. Baku so wa ha. Ti de wa brochi no won de we no ka no no. De wa brochi no. Oni na ba we no. No, madam. Know what you are looking for. Said the wa Ghana no. I mean say Santa mo Ghana no mti abrochi na mo hope. But some of the people na brochi no. Even to come back no. I think. Nti onto nebo. Know what you are looking for. Yeah. So if a Ghana or Ghana on peno dia onja no move on.
Okay.
Finally no. Ba ko so say ni kunu. Ono ni warrior no. or say oye man dia
o be man no hwe fie na
fie
o san ye masem ka
oye masem because of the person jaware but because of nimba na wom
e bi o jaware na papa na hwe kola no
madam say o evidence nye here say o nye dia me hu kunu wa ha Ghana for say person dey pa o evidence say o kunu twem pna dia inform your family members about it. Because you see, the moment Obi fee say and Obi nim say cheating, no, trust is compromised. And in every relationship near warrior, no, the key way you trust. The moment you give any DB, no,
it's gone.
It's gone. And then you work on that trust. Because once a man for say cheating is no, when you be done, only you don't feel it. Unjinindi, what far say. Until one side in this scene, said, this is what is happening. And because of that, among the trust in the marriage, has been compromised. Wow. But because of can say ni baba bi or because of a sometimes you must also look at that aspect. Say akwada we me jano no, what will happen?
Yeah.
And that's why she must quickly inform me papa ne busuan for. No so ne busuan for say me could number why no. This is what he's doing so that they can sit down and resolve it. And I said the two of them counselor. Maybe there's something's happening. Ni mbisa be man on the side. Because you see sometimes obi be candidate
one sided no be na
see the other side.
Be bam kura na oba no bum kura na.
No be counsel no ko transit. No one resolve the issue.
Okay.
And men man no am worry am yes no munye very careful. O worry. Na unhwa o yire a o bompa nyankubon nti. It's the book of Malachi. Malachi wo. Nyankubon see I was a witness for the marriage between you and the wife of your youth. And the reason why I'm not accepting you people you're offering is say the way you treat the wife of your youth. Oh yeah, Bema. Now treat you yiri. Santa Bonso no man nya basa. Obo mpa nyaminti. O de offering kwa sorry sa so for na beji. Na dey ejuma no. Dey dey na wo se. You dey say o ti kan you dey ba aso for beji dey dey ejuma no. But nyame boss ro ni asase no ontie.
Omi osuru hia ma.
So if you read the book of Malachi wo ho, ti be me bia onye you see dey be make wire by force.
Yeah.
Don't let anybody force you to marry. And don't force anybody into marriage. Aware by force. You can choose not to marry. This issue of and I would me and I don't worry. Aware by force.
Yeah.
But any by force no worry no so no. You must make sure say who do huni. Yes, oh you be wa ha. No you be wa ha. No you be woman proving off her. Now me there me a career woman. I can marry you. Yeah. But me I want to give birth. Yeah. You can't want to do what? Want to have sex? Yeah. And then do those nonsense. But you don't want to marry. But don't worry, I mean worry because I worry by force. Yeah. But the moment you decide to marry, no, also you must respect the sanctity of marriage. And I'm happy about this last Tuesday program because we are going to teach people. Yeah. A dear friend are worrying because they bring us here. Oh sorry, I know I worry because the person is ring, not a missus, not any no. You must understand what you are doing. Once you understand what you are doing, no, you're able to keep the sanctity of marriage.
Okay. Yenra anyway, and I last Tuesday of the month, no na. And the ebesho no na. Yamboniti. Etiye for channel so say every last Tuesday of every month biano. Yeah, the topic about beto. Na ye treat is our topic no na. Topics na ye be treating no Sunday. The more do I say. Ebe boa pa say na counselor can marriage itself no cry what you saying yes SATM
oh sorry na ni cosmate be worry
nti ono so be
no hu ga bia na nufu susu to person no da hon
yeah
the bottles is shaking hu na bibi here no is the person going crazy to visa no afi dey o worry you when you ban that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 then you say the thing is not about bottles
yeah
it's not about breast
sure
it's different from that. This officer no na you get me hu na bibi ye me na me boxes na she bibi shake on boxes near the kosi wani ma afire the man who do one eduane udi sa na afono na was chala dey na nentisa an officer Jerry the way we shake bin about you know and no ani oti console ni china ya ofedi a
no aro keke dey ani
ya Jerry pon a was anya ba console baba serious matters Yeah, go boy Shirobia. And then I'm looking at the Ghanaian young people.
Yeah.
Young people no more Kuma. Well, young Shani here, Jerry can tell you. In the next 5-10 years, it's from team nomination, and they are 26th, right?
Yeah.
In the next 5-10 years, if it goes the way it's going, this nation will not have a future.
Wow.
I repeat, the moral foundation of this nation is destroyed. But you see, in a nation, Nankupo is a God of generations. So, yeah. And then they do so.
Sure.
That's how it is. Council radio so no. Opinion kojo they've done it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Reverend Kisi Edumo. Before I be doing 10.
Yeah.
And we thank God for their lives.
Yeah.
People like Opinion Kojo ni Reverend Kisi Edu. Yes, your timing. Along the line, other people come in.
Sure.
Be a generation. Now, but generation, people must be prepared. Say you're preparing for do baby, they will take over.
Yeah.
The young people of this nation are going astray. And I know what I'm talking about. I have research to prove, say, all is not well with the young people of this nation.
At all.
A lot of them, they don't even know what is happening. And I'll give some of the reasons why these things are happening. One, who share your TV so and I share that. Let me share no maybe. And I was watching what is happening, local and international TVs, mentioning and I'm like, God, have mercy on this nation. And you man in your TV so no. Even to prove so do be no. What's on the leader? That's what we show on TV. Right?
Yeah.
Also, people must be half naked. Also, kiss you be.
Yeah.
Also, so be to show so do ni pano. Now, television actually the way are love is. So that's what the young people are imbibing in their system, into their system. Nipe biya no ya you are innocent. Nipe biya. Aye nyoma na ohunu. Any nyoma wutie and the experiences you go through in life, that's what forms you.
Not just a society, no.
I'll come there. Nipe biya me know the day no. We're very innocent.
Yeah. Inim
she say young girl or a virgin. Onim she. Okotesi ba ku say Kim. No.
I saw in them.
No. On the young guy be also now video know about Dabako, I video about the Nante classes.
Guy.
So the things you hear and the things you see, any experience you go through in life, no, that's what forms the person. To be on to be worrying there because of the way only papa ni mami treating papa.
Yeah.
And I say ni papa treating mami no. I'm also worried. The things we are showing on television 24/7, they're dangerous. Now we saw we now we kissy we. And we ask you, we are fast soap, no matter Google, no more share. And the more young people are watching those things, the more their opinion and their focus is shifted from the real issues of life into the Sanyo. That's one. Number two, they be and now no way of power. And I bet me now so. Obeso boy Juma. No more bonio mano. For this years, no.
Omukasi and Franco from 8 p.m. we finish inside there. To me, be good program.
And that,
and the boy me advertise and no be hey,
and this, and a dick in advertising, and not this, and on mobile nasu, and over boy, pafu. Yeah, man for that. Now, and then what annoys me, almost you 18 years and above. Most of the people who are 18, almost SHS.
Yeah.
Right? Most of them. They are in SHS. There's 18 years and above, you can take it. So the guy or SHS, young guy, or consumer, when you have power, where's the outlet? Maybe. And that's a lot of them are masturbating. Because you see, you are big so the guy is on top. What can I call it trim? Because a new man
he needs to practice it.
Until or practicing after the Jinasu, Nipa Naba. Outlet no one. So we must also be very careful about the things we say on radio near the end, because what you hear and what you see, and then from Nipano.
Great.
The other one, a bad parenting from some of the parents. Bad parenting. Or you're ready to be a bribe. Name admission. What are you telling the child? Say, you don't need to work hard. Don't worry. me to bribe amount nta kwara ni ko school a nse so ba yire no ho sua de no ho sua de because onim se man pass exam sukra me papa ni mami they go pay money and a lot of them are going to pay money and the children are there now the end result is that you have sown some seed in the mind of the child throughout the life of the child no, the child doesn't see anything called hard work hard work for what me papa me mami to yaman some of them even go to the extent of buying questions no the makwara no now
so they obey a good grade
instead of letting the child sit down and learn that in life you must work hard to be rewarded. We don't do that. A lot of the parents, they are not there for the children. And that's why I started by saying every child needs spiritual protection and emotional comfort. A lot of them know it's on the school fees. They have an cool school. Everything is there. But that emotional contact they need. Weekend ni baba just say no go to auntie, that's a house help. Go to auntie that, don't come to me, I'm tired. What are you doing? The more you are going to auntie this, go to uncle that, they are building the bonds with those people and not you.
And the other day I was reading something and it says pay attention to the little things no more now. They won't share the bigger ones with us anymore.
Yes, because you have not been there for the child. And I'm saying that if you are not there for the child today, the child will not be there for you tomorrow.
Sure.
So, yeah, you parent in the the way I did in Quarano, and now I do have a boyfriend, and I desire for my child is this. And Quarani be why you show me in the way you need Yanni. House help maybe be a Quarano. I'm not saying it's bad to have house help. But let the child also learn how to cook. Teach the child. So that one day, to bring in the house help, or bet me Yanni. And as be near the annual fear, or bet my supervisor, the name and you're correct. You don't do that. Oh, is he have my child? There's an day. You think it's all about ice cream? Let's be very careful. But be what Nibako school yard and Yania discipline or none of my I'll go to the school. Right? And then you're quite sorry. Now, for any baby, not so for crack anymore. No. The way also for me, Ban Casano, me mean Penisao. Then you leave the church because of that child. What you are doing, be very careful. Bad parenting is leaving a lot of the children astray. And the time has come for us to wake up and for people to understand and say, one day the problems, baby. Right. The fourth one, and I'll end with there's another this is the last but one. The society. Now, the reason why society they pull it back and they say, obedience be bar. Right? Yeah, obi neighbor to me boom. Oh yeah, the enya. Oh papa cry no member won't to me. You are quiet. Because you can. Oh papa cry no mama, they'll give you more. Say at the end of year now, neighbor no discipline no crano. We are going to add to it.
Yeah.
You show Nancy, obi akoye, many me. Oh, even in families.
Yeah.
I saw for this amount for boost of year before. Right?
2%.
Into be even amongst siblings, there's a heavy competition. Instead of being there for each other, there's too much competition. The way person went by years in way, then they go for consultation. No money na medroso, no money na whatever, and they destroy each other. Instead of doing this, okay, if Busianini, and in this family, these are our values. The Busian way say we believe in being doctors, we believe in being traders, we believe in this. In worry one koda be me fee. These are values taught in families. So that papa to me nya for beyamo.
Sure.
Papa say me ba we the you to no hamia okukuro no the come warfare. Say this boy is part of the family. Make sure say he's on online. But we don't do that. In terms of society, no, everybody have withdrawn. To be also be ba say kra nhwe no mfa no. Bi onam won say obi ba ni small game won she kona mu obo won kan che no mami because who cocaine. Because I won't pay me banasem. And I me banase and ya. But if you can give the society the chance to discipline people, and this is where the church and the mosque will come in.
Okay.
Obi wa and ya sorry na in can reading continue reading. Obi wa so no akona ma ohun the way address. So the church any Islam we have a role to play so that we can help people make sure that the people's destinies are shaped. But obi actually and I'm cocaine in the man and say sorry them no preaching, we have watered it down. 10 steps to prosperity. Hey, the moment Osofo comes 1 month and he's talking about holiness, so all of us have a role so that we can help the young people to move on. Finally, young people also have responsibility. The young people, they must understand, say, they have a responsibility. Papa ni uko school suadie abrabone ye bono ye die nya first why ye die fata okay ntu ye obi oku school o sua ejuma pam ejuma o sua di pam o ye bibia finish that one first and don't get involved with this boyfriend girlfriend that rubbish nonsense. Because what you are doing, you are destroying your future. And the time has come for young people to be told to the face, say, I didn't know one day it will come back to you. Sure. There are people who are living today, they have regretted the life they lived in the past.
A lot.
So be very careful and watch your association. Because your school fees, Umami can say, or Sofo can say, no. You also have a responsibility to know what you want to become. So that you want to become whatever you want to become like Jerry and all the people here, no, you must know how to organize your life. And don't think that you only responsibility. And don't say, me papa or me mama say, young people out there, they be you the future of the young people. Yes. But then type of young people are we talking about? Can we take over? And my way at Timono. They be a talent show. It's about young.
Yeah.
When we say a friend, young people say, yeah, these are inventors. You should come and sit down. Maybe what why you Fabra name won't be that. So gospel rock. Hey, MTN something. Hey. So everything about talent in this country is about nyom. I'm not saying musicians is bad. I'm not saying being a musician is bad. No. But saying na koye nyom and why are we not bringing young people around and say Papa Base, okay, a console we used to know, young guy been on inventive in the way of on the microphone. And now let's look for young inventors. Let them sit down and come out with ideas. And then we don't have budget for that. We have budget for nyom. And until we wake up and challenge the thinking of the people. Once you say, to me paper, say aeroplane, you know what to.
Yeah, know what to.
Well, you think it's for joke? You are stimulating the thinking of the people.
Yeah.
And let's begin to look at that aspect. I mean, science quiz near the theory. We want inventors. Young people can sit down and invent things and say, when am I? But where say
Mistress Nekra once said it say, Nkolano ya the pound, but I mean, omo other your friends saying competitors and almost what practically they can't do anything.
And that is where we must look at the technical schools again. So let's give also people opportunity and say, now going, some of these companies will pump money into that. Bring young people around, let them write programs. IT4, stimulate the thinking of the people.
Okay.
Osha
also Councillor Dasepa. Any DC Councillor Oscar Sripi ena yeten in Kano. Nti nyame adum next week you better aso na etie also confessions but share so say you know every last Tuesday be out of the month no. Yeah, the topic back will be see you na ya kan ho asem said na no. Councillor say man for person or more reach out to you now.
Uko omo Facebook on. Or they type OSCAR SIRIPI. That's Oscar Sripi. Okay. Boom Facebook page, you know. OSCAR SIRIPI. OSCAR SIRIPI. And that's our frame was 0276 814 888. 0276 814 888. 0276 814 888. And that's our call Facebook OSCAR SIRIPI. You be a part.
Okay.
And the reason I'm passionate about this thing is I've been a student leader throughout. And I've seen people who came to the boarding house. Very intelligent young people who came.
Yeah.
By the time they were leaving, some of them have become something else. And the time has come. I'll say anybody. The future of this nation is involved.
Amen. We fi Pastor Augustine Smart in chain. I said this is good counsel. Something I always talk about in church. Tell me so funny now, so me ever come line we are. I think they will go a long way to help all
I'm
of
very
us.
passionate about that.
God bless you.
I'm be a mom pie man. But you are seeing a name but with the protection of God, as I said, every child needs spiritual protection, the right spiritual protection, not the rubbish one. And emotional comfort.
Thank you.
That's why we
my main, I'm so swimming.
Aquada who that chana nani aji. Opani chana nani Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM. And I mean you, Branson in my bow. I'll come myself now.
Good afternoon, I'm Kuma Kuma. Bra Kuma, Bra Foster. Oh, Kayako. Oto. I kind of cried. Spring shop who said, Den. I will tell my community 9 light industry area. If I show me shower, broke man. If I show be a bear fine, why? Be a bear fine. Happy birthday going out to Constance Abbey of Aguna Swedru. May God give you his love and blessings. And this one is coming from AC Ohine here at Multimedia. And good afternoon going out to you, my good friend, my mate, Michael Osafo Champon, bro. On your old school, I know software, I have friends software, I would be Michael, good afternoon going out to you. And good afternoon going out to you, Selena. One beautiful girl at my church who is celebrating the birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Selena. Wow, na on count, na on domo, na on shout, no man ye kese. As you celebrate your birthday today, whatever it is that you're looking forward to having in your life, may he bless you with all those things. In Jesus' name, amen. 24 minutes after 4, 106.3 FM. In no time, we'll be checking out something we began yesterday on the show. And Rami Kacho say, yeah, she be fat self-reliance home. Eh, asemwa ye de etu ye home for no. Na ye ka ho asem kakra. Ti ne part 2 ne beba. Na ochina final pass na bana ye de ewie. And good afternoon going out to you, Nana Asase. Bro, thanks so much for the wonderful compliment. I really appreciate it. Nana Asase. Oh, I say, I can say, Nkola Beka, and you say, Penny Beka. Oh, Nana, fast send him right now. Nana Asase. Good afternoon to you, bro. Mighty power father man patrol yentie ene asemo edi tu ye hofo.